Welcome. In front of me is an LG K50, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of file from the internal storage to the SD card and vice versa. So to get started, I'm going to show that I have one basically file to transfer, which is a screenshot right here. And actually I can just add one more so it's in a different location to get a better sense later. Boom. There we go. So we got a photo as well, which photos will be located on a different place, and videos as well. Photos and videos will be grouped together but in a different location than, for instance, screenshots. And now if I would open gallery, you will see that there is two of them. So there's the camera and then there's the screenshot. So let's go now to the file manager. So right here under the management, you can tap on it, and then you will see that you are in the internal storage. I think that's just default how it starts. But if you want to copy something from, for instance, the SD card, you would first have to switch to the SD card itself by tapping on the bars right here and choosing the SD card. I'm gonna go back here, and like I said, the videos and photos will be located in a different place. So it's going to be under DCIM, and you have the camera right here, and that's the screen or photo that I have just taken. So let's just show it. You can see it. And screenshots and any kind of downloaded, basically photos or stuff like that, will be located under the pictures folder right here. So you can see screenshots, and that's the screenshot that I showed before. So now, if you want to move either the photos or screenshots or whatever, all you need to do is find wherever it is. And if you have basically an entire folder that you want to move, you just go back here and move the entire folder. If you have just several photos that you want to select, you then tap on here, tap on move, and then select whatever you want to select, either one or multiple. Same goes for the folder. You do it the same way. And once you have it selected, all you need to do now is just tap on move, and it gives you either the internal storage or the SD card. So we're gonna move it from the phone to SD card, and then you can choose either which folder we want to move it to, or just drop it right in the middle right here. Now I'm just gonna go to the DCIM folder and drop it right here. And now you can see that it is basically in the completely different location. So I am now in the SD card, as you can see right here. Oops, and I went a little bit too far. And if I go back to the internal storage, the screenshot will be gone from here. So pictures, screenshots, and as you can see, the folder is now empty. So that is basically how you copy it. And like I said, it works the same way for any kind of other file. It can be video, photo, some documents, it doesn't matter. It works the same way. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.